So let us take one more math for finding the compound interest from exercise 11a. Math number 6. Manoj deposited a sum of rupees 64,000 in a post office for 3 years, compounded annually at 7 whole 1/2% per annum. What amount he get on maturity? So here P is equal to 64,000. Okay, rupees 64,000. P is equal to 64,000. Time is equal to T is equal to 3 years, and rate is equal to 7 whole 1/2. 7 whole 1/2%. Okay, so we again applying the formula of amount. We have to find the amount, not the compound interest. So directly we have to find the amount. So amount A is equal to P 64,000 into 1 plus R 7 whole 1/2 by 100. T is equal to my 3 years. So here we are taking 3. Next is my calculation. Okay, we have to do the calculation very carefully so that it's not wrong. Otherwise it may be wrong. 64,000. This is 7 whole 64,000. This is my 1 plus 3/40 whole cube. This is 64,000. This is 43/40 cube. 64,000 into 43 into 43 into 43 by 40 into 40 into 40. So my result should be 43 cube. Okay, 43 cube. Now if we do 43 cube, we should get the result 79507. Okay, 79507. 79507. So that is my required amount. Now if we have to find the compound interest, what is the compound interest? 79507 minus 64,000. Okay, means rupees 'So that is my compound interest. Okay, that is my compound interest. Rupees 15,507 is my required compound interest. Okay, so that's it for compound interest. This is the normal formula of compound interest. Next come to another formula when the first is, this is the case 1. Okay, this is the for case 1. This is for case 1. When this for case 1, when interest compounded annually. Case 1, when interest compounded annually. This is the interest compounded annually. Then we can find the formula is like that. Next come to case 2. Case 2. This is my case 2. Case 2 is when the interest compound annually but the rate are different. Interest compounded annually but rate is different. Then what is the formula? Then the formula is formula for finding the amount. Formula for finding the amount. Then the amount. Suppose we take principal as P and time as 2 years. Rate first rate is P% for first year and Q% for second year. For second year. Okay. So what will be my formula? The amount. What will be my amount? Amount should be P into 1 plus P by 100 into 1 plus Q by 100. Okay, this is my amount. And what is my this is my amount. And what is my compound interest? CI is equal to P minus A again. Means this minus P. Sorry, A minus P. Means this minus this P. Okay. So this is the case 2. So now let us take one example. Suppose here is given P is equal to 50,000. P is equal to 50,000. Okay. Capital P this is. Capital P. Small p is 8% and small q is 9% for 2 years obviously. So we have to find the amount. The amount should be 50,000 into 1 plus 8 by 100 and 1 plus 9 by 100 means 50,000 into 108 by 100 into 109 by 100. After calculating that, we are getting a result 58,860. 58,860. So this is my required amount. And what is my compound interest? 58,860 minus this amount 50,000 minus 50,000, that's equal to 8,860 rupees. 8,860. So this is my case 2. Okay. Next come to case 3. Hope this is visible. Next come to case 3. What is my case 3? When interest compounded annually but time as fraction. Interest compounded annually but time is a fraction. Time is fraction. So in that time the amount will be P into 1 plus R by 100 whole square into 1 plus 3 by 5 R by 100. Actually, I have forgotten to write here. Suppose the time here we taken the time equal to 2 whole 3 by 5 year. Time is fraction. So here this for this whole 2 we are getting the same rate So for this whole 2 we are getting 2 here, and this 3 by 5 we are taking 3 by 5 r here. Okay, so this is my formula for amount. And similarly for finding the compound interest, we are giving minus from amount and principal. Okay, means a minus p, this minus p. Okay, so that is the case 3. Similarly here one example, let us take one example. Suppose here p is equal to given 31250, r is equal to 8%, time t is equal to 2 whole 3 by 4 year. We have to find the amount. So we have to put this again the formula. Amount is equal to 31250 into 1 plus r, 8 by 100 square into 1 plus 3 r by 4 by 100